Hard to believe, but today does mark the 19th anniversary of 9/11. 2,983 people died in that attack on American soil. It's always a somber start to the trading day. Let's bring in Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, for more.
Thank you, Angie, and absolutely. First and foremost, this is a day of remembrance. This is a day that all our prayers go out to the families, the friends of anyone that perished on 9/11. And it really is a prayer for the entire country, and a day that really we all need to start coming together. So, my deepest sympathies and condolences to those families. And it is a very, very somber day. But you get back to the markets, and the markets are still going to trade after our moment of silence, and nobody's ever going to forget. And, what we've seen in terms of the markets over the last week or so, especially, is, some volatility back into the marketplace. Many people are calling it what we saw was a rollover of the NASDAQ space. I don't necessarily see that. People have said that for a couple months. I think you're seeing some profit taking and some, added volatility in the space, but I don't think it's a rollover at all. One space that I do believe will continue to shine, especially as we head up to the election, is in the gold space. And one way to play that, trading options, is with GLD, the ETF. And so what I'm looking to do is by the October 16th expiration, 185, 190 call spread in GLD, and I can do that for about $1.50 or so. Gives me really good reward to risk, lets me participate on a continued upside play in GLD, which I believe as we get closer and closer to the election, people are going to be looking for that, risk off sort of hedge. In addition to the fact that, the dollar strength that we had seen over the last couple weeks has kind of, subdued a little bit right now. And as the dollar weakens, that's good for the gold space. Thanks again, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.